All right, so the next thing we want to talk about is opening a, a page in a new window. And it really just kind of builds off what we already had, but adds this piece here. Target equals blank at yahoo.com. So if we go to our code, oh, that's another thing here that we'll talk about in a minute. If we go to our code, here it is. I added something target equals, and I think it was supposed to actually have something a little different. I think it's like underscore blank at marymount.com. That would be our choice. So let's add that. Let's save this. File save. I also added this code here for texting. So we'll just do both at the same time. So save. And what happens here? So we come over here to our browser and we open our window, open file. This is real time here, folks, real time. Here it is. We open it. Here is our Marymount, so we go down to it. There it is. We click it, and it goes into a new window. You see it. And we can just go back to our other window. And then if you click here, it doesn't send a text. It says it needs an application. So I challenge somebody to come up with an application. So I want you to try these two features that we just talked about here. And I will pause this video, pause recording. Okay, I think it's recording. So as we continue on, I think we did go through the block anchor, but just in case, because it's pretty important. Here was the code. Let's view it again. It wasn't that difficult. One of the few that wasn't difficult. Okay, and it was just putting down, you're just setting it up so that you have within your code here, you have your body, and then you just have your link and your heading, and then whatever you wanted to write. So if we were to go to this, let's do it. Open a file. Okay, block. Open. I'm building a block anchor. So I think I showed you this already. There you go. All right. So let's go to the next thing now. We already went through this. The next thing we want to talk about, the telephone we talked about, a sprite. Okay, a sprite is nothing complicated. It's simply trying to have several different icons show up within one image. Okay, an image that contains multiple small graphics. And the advantage is it saves downtime. So how would we do this? This is not any different than anything else, but I want to show you. So first, let's show what it should look like. Not that one, this one. So see how there are all these little images for each one of these different menu items? It just makes it easier. So what does the code for that look like? Let's take a peek. Code. It's not this one, so we're done with this one. Sorry. It is this one. Okay, so let us make this large. All right, so this one is, and I'll put it on it'll be in your Blackboard, Canvas. And what you see here is embedded within the code, we have the style. Now you could have done this through CSS as well, but this is embedded within our one page. And what you see here, which is most interesting, is you'll see something here, the navigation. So our navigation talks about using the sprites, no repeat. All right, and I think we use the navigation several times. So nav1, so when we go over to our navigation here is our role equal navigation, and what was it up here? It was our sprites, text A, padding. You probably can't see this. Let me make it bigger. Repeat. Let's make this easier to see. Sorry. Okay, so navigation, we have our link. We have a visited, the hover.